Okay, chemistry unit, section 2.4, chemical reactions, part 3. So this time we are dealing with single replacement reactions. So this is our third type of chemical reaction. Single replacement reactions replace one element from a compound with a separate element added as its reactant. So let's look at what this looks like. So a compound and an element react, and the elements switch places with part of the original compound. So what this looks like, we've got an element B plus a compound AX. They react, and A is now left alone as a metal, and B is now combined with the nonmetal X. So if you have a metal coming in and reacting with an ionic compound, which is this first example here, the metal will replace the metal part of the ionic compound. So it basically kicks it out. So B is a metal on its own, and A is a metal in the ionic compound with X. So A and B basically swap places. You end up with A on its own, and B is now in a compound with X. This can also occur with nonmetals. So if you have a nonmetal Y joining an ionic compound, the nonmetal Y will replace the nonmetal, which is X, in the compound, and the metal A stays as part of the compound. So there is one switch happening. It's either going to be the metal switching if you're adding a metal, or it will be the nonmetal switching if you're adding a nonmetal. Replacement of a metal. Aluminum foil is in a solution of copper 2 chloride. It produces solid copper and aluminum chloride. So aluminum foil is just Al. It's reacting with CuCl2, producing copper metal and AlCl3. So this reaction is obviously balanced. It's got its coefficients. So we have 2 parts aluminum metal plus 3 parts copper 2 chloride, producing 3 parts copper metal and 2 parts aluminum chloride. So 2 aluminums on this side, 2 aluminums on this side, 3 coppers here, 3 coppers here, 6 chlorines here because of the 3 times 2, and again 3 times 2 on this side, 6 chlorines here, so fully balanced. The image shows a similar reaction. Copper metal is being put into a solution with silver nitrate, producing silver crystals and copper nitrate solution. Replacement of a nonmetal works in a similar way. We're just switching the nonmetals. When fluorine is bubbled through a sodium iodide solution, iodine and sodium fluoride are produced. F2, again, this is Hoberfinkel, it's diatomic, plus 2 parts NaI produces I2, again, Hoberfinkel, and 2 parts NaF. Analogy for a single replacement reaction. One partner decides to ditch their current partner for someone new. So super scandalous. Just another image of this. So once again, some practice. Please make sure you're good on these before moving on to the next video.